In this video, I'm going to show you how to change SofaScore notification sound. So the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the very top right and click on your profile icon. And then from here, you want to click on the settings icon again in the top right. Now, when you do that, you're going to be, of course, headed into settings. And in here, you want to click notifications, which is the first tab up top. And from notifications, you want to, of course, make sure your notifications actually are enabled. And after you do that, you want to scroll down a bit. And here you will find the different notifications for different sports. Okay, so as you can see here, for example, if I go to basketball and let's say I want to change the notification sound of a finish, so I'm gonna just click on finish over here and it's gonna say sound, and next to it there's gonna be like a basic like default notification sound. So to change this, you want to just click on it. It's going to open up your settings, your ringtone, stuff like that, and then in here you can go ahead and find one you want to use. For me, I'm just gonna go into the pre-installed ringtones here, and then I'm just gonna set one of these over here. So for example, let's see how this here, there we go. So this one, let's say this one is cool. Okay, so I'm going to click apply, and then I'm going to click OK. And what's going to happen, as you can see here, it actually changed my notification sound for the finish. Now, of course, I could go ahead and do whatever I want here. If I want to go into soccer or football, for example, I can go to goal and then set a different goal sound. I have it as bottle right now. And you can do this for every single thing, for every single notification possible and listed in here inside your notifications. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.